So let's jump right into this video. So what I'm going to do first is just to add from here a gradient. Let's add this gradient. You can change to black and white, and I'm also gonna enter here 180, or you can go with 90. Just depends on your image. So it depends on what you're trying to achieve. Okay, now what I'm going to do after I've created this, I can go to filter, and then here we have pixelate and color halftone. Also, yeah, we'll convert this to a smart object, and here I can enter to about 80, and then here I'll go with 29, and then here 29, and then 29 and 29. Then click on OK, and you'll get this effect. And now what you're gonna have to do is to go here, normal, and then here we're gonna have to click on screen, and we're getting this very nice effect already. Now we have a very nice effect here. I can go to filter, and then here I can maybe just change the color, or I can go also here and I can select black and white maybe. But overall, that's how we create this effect in Photoshop. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.